Good day, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see in the back, is my garage is almost fully operational. I still have some adjustment to do or where to put the places, but so far I'm really happy. And matter of fact, it's so operational. Then today I'm doing my first welding. Now, welding. There's some new safety things that I have to put in effect. First of all, I'm gonna weld a galvanized steel pipe. So that means I need a good ventilation, and that garage is very well equipped. There's a big fan in there, and I did my little pipe. I did a trial with the fan running in the back, pushing the air, and the toxic air running out. It's marvelous, as you're going to witness further after on the video. Now, the most important new safety aspect, that new safety welding aspect, is I'm welding in the new places. And what I mean by new places, well, I used to weld in Shefford in the middle of the wood on the mountain range, and now I am in the middle of the city. Well, I'm in a neighborhood, a dense neighborhood with many houses with a lot of kids. Of course, I'm welding, and everybody knows, and the welding lights can create really bad things on your eyes. It's like looking at the sun. So to make sure that the kids around don't look inadvertently or voluntarily into my welding, so I create a barrier. Now you can use various barrier, but I think 3 garbage bin, then my trailer, then my car, and there's a truck there. Joe make a great point also about my dogs when they were looking a little bit of my welding. I feel like a kind of guilty, and thank you, Joe, for that. So this is the new environment for me to always think above, is when I'm going to weld outside, is perhaps take care to make sure that nobody is exposed to these welding or fumes. All right, so let's do that, and time for some good music. All right, cheers. Well, gentlemen, I hope that you, and ladies, I hope that you love the music. I'd say that a normal welder, a basic welder, will probably cut 2/3 of the welding I've done because of experience. I'm very inexperienced with MIG welding, as you see. It's not with gas, but it's with a substitute inside the wire feeder. The important thing is when you do weld galvanized steel, make sure it's well ventilated. And I ain't gonna show you my my not looking welding, but I can tell you that it's very strong. So matter of fact, I'm gonna do a stress test to see if it is strong. So I'm just gonna stand back the camera. So a good 10-pound hammer will do the trick. Well, that one is good. That one too. Alright, so the stress test has been carried out and it's simple with this hammer, so I'm very happy about it. So please, thank you very much for all the support you gave me with all the video about my move. And I'm very happy to regain a workspace. I still have my guest room to finish, and the basement is, I will do during the winter some starting some renovation, so all the boxes, there's about 20 bucks left in there. All right, so let's make that a short video. Enough talking. All right, have a good week. Cheers. I'm not going to show you how did I end up landing the canoe there, because it was an ugly, very ugly landing. Cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. I'd like to mention the great shout out then Mr. Kennedy gave to us on his channel. It's a KNH tractor. Please go see it. He's a great, fine gentleman, and he made a video. The video was called Big Trip Search and some famous YouTuber, and you talk about Logger John. Orange is my new green. There's another fellow too, I forget his name, but just hold on. It's called Fablet Fun, and myself. Alright, so thank you again, Mr. Kennedy. I really appreciate it. Cheers!